Hello, everyone. It's me, Jenny Hall. I wanted to take a moment and give the opportunity for a last minute join for my team. There's a promotion that's running for Stampin' Up! During the month of July, and today is the last day of the month. So today is the very last day to take advantage of the free color family from Stampin' Up! So what is a color family? A color family is a collection of beautiful stamp pads, and there's 10 in each color family. And by joining and getting your starter kit, you're able to get 10 free stamp sets. Hi, everyone. Thanks for stopping in. So if you are interested in getting an opportunity to stamp with some wonderful Stampin' Up! People, and if you want to get 10 free stamp sets, then this is a great time to join because Stampin' Up! Has the best inks. I absolutely love them. And I also want to have you on my team. I'm working very hard to grow my Stampin' Up! Business, and I appreciate all the help and support that I receive from all of you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I want to have you on my team. I would love to have you there. I'd love to share with you and to share all of my tutorials, to spend time together. It's a wonderful experience. And so I appreciate you guys being a part of my Stampin' Up! Journey. Now this is what 3 stamp pads looks like. Imagine it's 10 stamp pads, and they're all in one color family. So Stampin' Up! Has 4 different color families for you to choose from, as well as 10 that are in colors. And the in colors are just spectacular, really trendy colors. So today, being the last day of July promotions, we also have a designer series paper sale. Buy 3, get 1 free from a selection of really great papers. And on my blog and YouTube channel today, there is a card that's made that's really simple, and it's created with just 1 pack of designer series paper. It's really quick and really fun. We also have Paper Pumpkin. If you are a new subscriber for Paper Pumpkin and you can create a new account for Paper Pumpkin, then you can get half off your first month's kit. And I always come up with some really fun ideas to use making your kit components in order to come up with something totally different. So if you have any questions about joining Stampin' Up!, then this is the day to ask. Today is July the 31st, and I want you to join as a part of my team. I really would love to have you with me. Also, tomorrow is a really big day in the Stampin' Up! World because we get to order from the new holiday catalog. It's called pre-order, and we get to pick whatever items we want to order from the catalog before it's released to the public. Pre-orders tomorrow, and I'm already building my list of really exciting holiday products. I'd love to hear what your favorites are from the catalog. So here I am. I'm available. You can contact me through my Facebook page by leaving a comment or a private message. You can email me at jennystampsup@gmail.com. You can also go to my blog at jennyhalldesign.com, and there you'll be able to connect with me in many different ways. I look forward to hearing from you soon, and don't hesitate. Today is the last day of the promotion. So if you're on the fence, jump off the fence and come join my team. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.